It's time for another DIY Network Yard Crashers quick tip.
I'm Matt Blashaw. If your deck is looking a bit tired, don't replace it. Just give it a facelift.
Start by pulling up and replacing any warped or cracked boards. Use coated deck screws that resist corrosion to secure the new boards into place. For boards that are in good condition, it's a good idea to replace any nails with new deck screws. Plus, the nail holes make for easy countersinking, which means the screw heads lay flush with the boards. Sand your entire deck, moving from heavy grit to light grit for an extra smooth finish. Consider adding a different railing for an entirely new look. Lattice is an easy option that provides a safe enclosure for small children. And finally, apply 2 coats of weather-resistant stain, letting each dry for at least 24 hours.
Done annually, this weekend project will help maintain your deck for years to come.
For all things home improvement, go to DIYNetwork.com 24/7.